Attention! Have you ever dreamed of growing your money without needing to be a finance expert? Would you like to know how to turn just $100 into the start of your path to wealth? Today, we're going to reveal the secret that the big investors don't want you to know. How to start investing in the stock market with just $100. Are you ready to change your financial life? Do you want to discover simple but powerful strategies that will allow you to make the most of every dollar? Stay until the end and get ready to be amazed at how easy it can be to start investing today. Let's get started. Did you know that leaving your money in a savings account could be costing you more than you think? Inflation is that silent enemy that reduces the value of your money over time. Imagine you have $100 today, but in 10 years, that same bill will buy much less. This is where the magic of investing comes into play. Investing not only protects you against inflation, but also offers you the opportunity to grow your money. Think about this. If you simply save your money, you are limiting your growth potential. But if you invest it wisely, you can make every dollar work for you, generating more money over time. Investing in the stock market is one of the most effective ways to grow your money. Historically, the stock market has offered returns that surpass other saving methods. Although there can be ups and downs, the long-term trend has been growth. This means that if you are patient and hold on to your investments, you could see a significant increase in your wealth. Additionally, investing gives you the chance to participate in the success of great companies. Imagine being part of the growth of an innovative company that changes the world. By investing in stocks, you are buying a small part of that company, and if it does well, you benefit too. And you don't need to be a financial expert to start. With the amount of resources available today, anyone can learn to invest wisely. Educational platforms, easy-to-use apps, and accessible advice are at your disposal to help you make informed decisions. But why is it so crucial to start right now? Because time is your best ally. Thanks to compound interest, the sooner you start investing, the more time you will have for your investments to grow exponentially. Even a small amount of money, like $100, can become a considerable sum if invested wisely and allowed to grow over time. In summary, investing not only protects you against inflation, but also opens the doors to significant financial growth. It allows you to participate in the success of great companies and gives you the opportunity to build a solid financial future. Don't underestimate the power of starting with a small investment today. Every great fortune started with a small, smart decision. To start investing in the stock market, it's essential to understand some basic concepts. Don't worry, we're going to explain it in a simple and clear way. First, what is the stock market? Imagine the stock market as a big marketplace where parts of companies, known as stocks, are bought and sold. When you buy a stock, you are acquiring a small part of that company. If the company does well, the value of your stocks goes up, and if it does poorly, the value can go down. The stock market is not just a physical place, like you might imagine Wall Street in New York. Today, most transactions are done online through digital platforms. This makes investing accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Now, let's talk about the types of investments you can make. There are many options, but we will focus on the most basic and safe ones for beginners: stocks and index funds. Stocks. As mentioned, buying stocks means buying a part of a company. If you choose well, you could see a good return on your investment. However, it also involves more risk since the value of a stock can fluctuate quite a bit. Index funds. Index funds are an excellent option for beginners. Instead of buying stocks from a single company, an index fund allows you to invest in a small part of many companies at once. This diversifies your investment and reduces risk. For example, you could invest in a fund that follows the S&P 500 index, which means you are investing in the 500 largest companies in the United States. Another important concept is diversification. This is a fancy term for saying don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification means spreading your money across different investments to reduce risk. If one investment does not go well, others can compensate for that loss.
If this video is opening your eyes to finance, hit like to support this channel and help us keep uploading more content. Comment on your biggest revelation so far and subscribe with the bell on so you don't miss any financial secrets. And if you have a friend or family member who could benefit from this video, spread the word by sharing it. Let's continue with more strategies that will change your financial future.
Finally, let's talk about investment platforms. Today, there are many apps and online platforms that make investing easy and accessible to everyone. Some of the most popular are Robinhood, E-Trade, and Fidelity. These platforms allow you to buy and sell stocks, index funds, and other types of investments with just a few clicks. In summary, the stock market is a marketplace where you can buy and sell parts of companies. You can invest in individual stocks or index funds to diversify and reduce risks. And thanks to digital platforms, investing has never been easier. Understanding these basic concepts is the first step to becoming an informed and successful investor. Now that you know the fundamentals, let's explore the specific strategies you can use to start investing with just $100. Strategy 1. Investing in index funds. Index funds are an excellent option for beginners. Imagine being able to invest in the 500 largest companies in the United States with just $100. That is what an S&P 500 index fund does. These funds replicate the performance of a specific market index, providing automatic diversification. It's like buying a small part of many companies at once, reducing risk and potentially generating solid returns over the long term. Additionally, many index funds have low fees, which means more of your money is working for you. Strategy 2. Fractional shares. Have you always wanted to invest in giants like Amazon, Google, or Tesla but thought it was too expensive? This is where fractional shares come in. They allow you to buy a portion of a share instead of a whole share. For example, if an Amazon share costs $3,000, you can buy a fraction of that share with just $100. This makes it accessible to invest in high-profile companies without needing large sums of money. It's a fantastic way to start building your portfolio with small amounts of money. Strategy 3. Investment apps and platforms. Today, investing has never been easier thanks to apps and online platforms. Tools like Robinhood, E-Trade, and Fidelity make buying and selling stocks, index funds, and other investments as simple as a few clicks on your phone or computer. These platforms are intuitive and designed for beginners, offering educational resources and support to help you make informed decisions. Additionally, many of these apps allow you to start with investments as low as $100 with no transaction fees. These 3 strategies are accessible, easy to understand, and allow you to start investing with just $100. Now that you know these options, are you ready to take control of your financial future and start building your path to financial freedom? Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've seen how, with just $100, you can start investing in the stock market using 3 simple but powerful strategies: index funds, fractional shares, and investment apps. These options allow you to diversify your portfolio, reduce risks, and make the most of your money from day one. Now, here are some final tips to make your investment experience even more successful. Continuous education. Never stop learning. Investing is a journey, and the more you know, the better decisions you can make. Take advantage of the educational resources offered by investment platforms and keep yourself informed about the market. Diversification. As mentioned before, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments to minimize risks and maximize your chances of success. Patience and discipline. Investing in the stock market is a long-term game. Don't get discouraged by market fluctuations. Stay calm, be patient, and stick to your investment plan. Review and adjust. Regularly review your investments and adjust your strategy as needed. Circumstances change, and your portfolio should reflect those changes. Finally, don't wait any longer to take the first step towards your financial freedom. Start today with those $100 and turn them into the beginning of your journey towards a prosperous and secure future. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any valuable content. Leave us a comment with your questions or share your own investment experiences. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. Take control of your financial future and start now.